Hi, my name is Veganus and this is Caprice, 90-foot sailing boat one I'm restoring. Thanks for watching. Right, the channel needs your help. Hit the subscribe and like button. Help the algorithms get up. Maybe get some sponsors, make a cash. Move some stuff away. Thanks for watching. Right. Well, I'm only saying right. Okay. So, thing is, to sail, we need mast, obviously, and what I'm gonna do. So the mast just there screws up, but I put these supports to support, but I think it's not enough, and we need to stop flexing. Needs kind of mast step. So I got this stainless steel box. Bloody hell, too long. So I got this stainless steel, and then I got stainless steel pole, stainless steel plate. Plate goes there on the bottom. You spread the weight, and we're gonna weld this there to help it out. Easy. So it goes there, plate here, like this. Happy days. Right, I'm gonna trim this a little bit. Safety first. That's not good. Shebang, shebang. There we go. Look at what we got. All welded. Nice job. By island outwards. Let's check it out. It fits. So, we got all welded. So what we're gonna do, extra sheet epoxy in there, and screws for the top, and there. As goes, not 100% which way. I think it's this way. Is it? Anyway, and then that's gonna go inside, be like this. Hopefully. Let's drill some holes. Is it this one? Fits. Clean it up, line it up, check it out. Right, we got this mat. Going to wet it up, put that there. Just leave it in force. Put the end and put the top. Put some sealant, juice, bang, screws, bolt, bang, bang, happy days. This could be easy or could be hard. Need to do it quick as possible. Messy! Oh, it's gonna be messy. There's plenty. Right, all screwed, ran out of battery. Just need to tidy it up a little bit. All good. Then I signed it off, so painted. Nice and solid. Let's check inside. So, a little bit tidy up. Feels solid. This reason is just for compression. Mast attached on the top. Same again. Little reinforced fiberglass. That's excess leftovers, but I just stuffed it there. Should be fine. I think it's not secured, but we always can clear it up and take it out if we have to. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Help the channel grow. See you next time. This is a strength test. Cool dance.